afternoon, everybody. My name is Jason Lake. I represent the team here at MarineMax Clearwater, and today I have the honor to show you, well, I love the Boston Whaler brand, but this is one of my favorite boats and one of their newest entries to their model line, the 360 Outrage. We'll start with the power plant here. You can see we have triple V10 400 Verado engines for Mercury. We've matched the whole paint here. Really clean setup. We did away with the summer kitchen on this specific model, and so you picked up the 55-gallon live well here, which is perfectly positioned aft for you. Very, very versatile cockpit that we have here, guys. So we have a really nice pull-out lounger just below this bolster, and then you'll have another one starboard side as well. And then I thought Boston Whaler did a fantastic job of improving the access to the hardtop here. So if you do choose to put a second station up, guys, they've done a really good job with this teak package that accents the boat. But if you were on the boat, you could feel that this is also non-skid, because they expect you to step here with a center entry point getting to the hardtop. Keeps friends, family, and yourself from the sides of the boat where the majority of manufacturers ask you to access that hardtop if you were to choose to do a second station. So really nice setup. Everything on the Whaler is really cleanly installed, guys, from your floodlights to our action camera here. Really clean. You can see that on those 19-inch chart plotters up front if you turn that camera on. And if the sun begins to get a bit unbearable, of course, we have a really nice awning that will jet out past the back seat here so everybody can get out of the sun. As we work midship, guys, we'll have our panel here in the gunnel wall that'll get all your batteries and everything powered up, so that when this helm comes to life, it is fantastic. You can see they've done a lot of black acrylic on here. Really models kind of the iPhones and the Samsung smartphones and gadgets of today. Really clean install. Not a whole lot of things protruding. VHF, Bluetooth. All of our micro switching here will be backlit blue, so it's very easy to tell what's activated and what isn't activated. And then these two 19-inch screens are fantastic. They're bright, they're crisp. The processors are quick, guys. You'll love these screens, and you can split them into 4. So literally can divvy these screens up into 8 different displays if you choose kind of that information overload, if you will. Triple helm seats here for you and family and friends to sit up and enjoy the ride. Climate controlled cockpit, or helm station, excuse me, with air conditioning blowing on you to keep you comfortable as you move about. And then, of course, JPO, or joystick docking. Seakeeper is also installed on this boat. So just extremely well equipped. As we work forward towards the bow, Whaler has become known for their big lounger forward of the helm. This is an awesome seat, guys. So if you have the day off from being the skipper on board, you're probably going to want to pull up in one of these 2 loungers here. Flip up armrest, flip up cup holders, and just a really neat design to sit forward and enjoy the day on the water. We have C-shaped seating here. We do have a base here where we can put our table, and it'll have a high-low setup, so you can create another sun lounger up front. A lot of entertaining aspects up here in the bow. But one design I love, and it gets overlooked, is we can remove this cushion in this board, guys, giving you fantastic access to your windlass anchor locker and all the controls that are up there as well. You'll notice a couple rod holders forward. That'll allow us to shade the front of the boat as well, so we can get all 35 feet 6 inches of this boat out of the sun. Up top, some of the gadgets we've installed: our open array radar, our remote spotlight, and then of course our FLIR camera for thermal and night vision to keep you safe out there when you're headed out early in the mornings or coming back late at night. That's a quick overview, guys, of this awesome boat. The technology on here is incredible. We even have vents here to keep your windshield from fogging up on you in the early mornings when you're headed out. I mean, they've really thought of it all. Actuated vents. We didn't get into the JL Audio speakers on this boat, which are littered throughout the boat. The stereo is fantastic. So if you want a closer look at this awesome platform from Boston Whaler, give the team here at MarineMax Clearwater a call, or personally give me a text or a call at 509-869-8306. Jason Lake, MarineMax Clearwater, looking forward to seeing you on the water.